Hey everybody, another evidentiary video. That the rain has died down. Now mind you, this is not even a year old yet, but I'm zooming in here. I'm going to show you about the cement slop job here at the county creek. Let me zoom it in. It's already cracked. The water is going underneath it. That piece right there has already cracked off. They left the cement here, the rock here. This all should have been rock. No cement here. There's the rock. That should have been netted. They should have placed more rock there, and as the Kentucky Department of Water suggested, taking all the rock that fell down and pulling it back with their whatever equipment that they used. They needed to pull this back and net it, because it fell off here, but no. Judgy pudgy. You see the net there? Pour cement, shoveling it back onto my property, and it's already falling apart. Look at this. Let me show you quickly. And this, when I moved here, none of this was here. None of this was here. This was down a foot. Now it's been elevated a foot. Judge pours this concrete, elevates it more, and is pushing the water onto my land, onto my property. All this disgusting slop job mess. Let me just take you down, and you can see how it has subsided already. The zoomie's here. So let me show you here. Let me just show you quickly over here. I was just coming out here to close the gate for the night, but you need to see this. You need to see this. Check it out. One large rainstorm. And you want to know why it's like this? Because the stupid ass judge stopped the concrete over there, did not pour the concrete down here, where it was supposed to be. Right? He stopped over here with the concrete. Then when the water came rushing from across the street, and you could see now how it has subsided. I mean, like I said, it subsides very quickly. But look at the mess here. Look at this erosion. This is like real erosion. This is real erosion. And the reason it has eroded is because the judge stopped the concrete here, failed to move here. And look, there's more concrete slop job over here. This is a cat that was dumped on my property, this one here. But look at this, men and women, boys and girls. Yeah, good job, Judge. Yeah, you're doing good. Your road crew, fired. Everybody should be fired. Whoever instructed them to do this, fired. Right, everybody should be fired. Get a new staff, get a new crew. Check it out. And this is my driveway, so look at this. Oh, and look, somebody left a Y-shaped branch here. Check it out, guys. You can't make this stuff up. Okay, so I want to get a photo of this to use as a thumbnail, and thank you for the recommendation about hiring my own engineer. I might consider doing that. Marine Alternative Homesteading, Jackson County, Kentucky. Signing off for now. This is just one rainstorm, just one.